Hello guys, good evening. We are so happy today here in our house. This is our house, Family Aguasin's house. And you know what? I supposed to come here alone, but I have one. This daughter is here with me. She want to show you her pet. It's a tarantula. Oh, it looks like a tarantula. Oh, sige, pakita. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Ayan. It's almost 10 in the evening. And it's really very traffic in coming here. The transportation is really struggle. And Mary wants to show you this one. Her baby. I'm so happy. Are you happy? Hmm? We're just two in the house. Yes. Hello everyone. Tomorrow, what are we going to do here? Come on, tell them. What are we going to do tomorrow? Sleep? The whole day? Oh my God. No, we will roam around in our place, okay? We are here in our house. I wish next time Ate MG will be here and they will never feel boredom this time because I bought them new television and new speaker. Yeah, and they also have a lot of playmates here. So tomorrow, oh my God, my daughter told me that I'm rich. Oh my God. I wish that will come true. Come, where are you going? I also bought new washing machine. Yeah, I want to settle down here in this house, but I'm not yet financially ready. I wish soon. I still need to stabilize my business, just a small business. It's just a banana chips and non-greasy salted peanut. I'm so happy today, guys, since I was being paid by one of my clients who bought 60 packs of banana chips, and the product will be going to Taiwan. And I know it's not my first time to supply those banana chips for them, and I guess they like really the taste of that banana chips. Yeah, I'm still looking forward for more customers to come. Maybe if you want to try, then try to just communicate or just message me here. We will have a lot of followers here. Yeah, we're just newbie. I'm a single mom anyway. I am a widow and I have two beautiful daughters. Yeah, the struggle is real being a single mother. But God is still great. God is still good with me since God helped me really find new customers so I can sustain all our needs. Yeah, I'm so happy. Before I was really very depressed. What if I got my surgery and then I cannot work for 6 months, and then oh so cute baby, can it make a sound? Come on, make a sound. Yeah, I'm really afraid the time that I had my surgery, then I'll be jobless and I cannot sustain our financial needs. But it's good thing that really the banana chips that I plan, it's really getting money for us, so we survive. Yeah, does this little doll looks like me? Oh, I have a grandchild already. Who's the mommy of this? Mary. Thank you. Please subscribe. Ina. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.